Look at them pretty tomatoes. All right, so what is the Arkansas weave? Well, it's pretty much just the Florida weave, but we've kind of modified it to make it better for backyard growing. So as you can see, Florida weave on bottom, but I added in these poles to support the plant so that I could get more leaders on it. And so you'll see this one has one, see that? 1, 2, and then 3. So 3 leaders coming out of it. Come over here, I've got this one which also has 3, but we're working on 4. See that? And then you come over here and again 3, but we're working on 4. So I'm trying to keep them at 4 liters, no more than that. And I'm pretty much just training them to grow straight up. And so what I'm hoping they do is they grow straight up, and then if they need more space, they just fall straight down. And it's a complete space saver. It helps having them this way because it opens up so much more space. Me using them along this fence line, as you can see, we're tucked in tight here, and so we need all the space we can get. And so this has really been a game changer for me. I really like doing it this way. I will continue to do it this way for a long time to come. Working very well. I really like it. I didn't keep up with these as far as pruning, so tomatoes aren't huge, but I'm happy. I'm very happy with it.